be a tour of my bedroom. I really hope that you guys will enjoy it. I tried to make it kind of more fun and different than everyone else's, so again, I hope you guys will enjoy it. Make sure to like it and also subscribe down below and turn on the post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, because you guys don't want to miss out on that. Also, check out the description box below for all of my links for Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and also you can check out my blog. So anyway, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So when you first walk into my room to the left, which is actually behind my door, I just have some things posted on the back of my door just as reminders, and then I also have a poster, a little corkboard which has nothing on it, and then this little hanger thing I got from Hobby Lobby. I just have some Bible verses on it, and then it also holds my necklaces and my hats. So I really like that. And then I have a mirror on my closet door and just my purse hanging there, and inside my closet is just shoes and clothes pretty much in my laundry basket. And then to the right of that I have my desk. I got it from Big Lots, and I just have like my planner, and the gold organizers from Hobby Lobby just has some file folders and whatnot. And then I have above my desk I have a inspiration board which just has a lot of great pictures on there, and then I have a picture to the left of that and nothing to the right, which I definitely need to get a picture on the right side so it's even. But then I just have this other sign that says today will be a great day by my window, and then below that I have my microphone stand which I'm actually using right now. And then inside my desk I just have some random stuff, pens and notepads and Kleenexes and electronic stuff. And then below that is just a little shelf that has lots and lots of notebooks and things that I use, literally for everything. And then below that is another larger shelf that has binders and cookbooks and some candles. So in my windowsill I have a couple of the little square signs that I got from Kohl's, and then I also have this coin bank type thing that's from the Sadie Robertson line at Hobby Lobby, which is where I got it. I don't know, it's probably sold other places, but I got it at Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I love the two signs that are next to it too. The one says she believed she could, so she did, and the other one says pray often, so just really great reminders. So then I have my bed, the blanket I actually made, and then my comforter is from Kohl's as well. I really like it. It's very simple but cute. And then I have some pillows and my stuffed unicorn and my stuffed dog, and then I have my Bible and a book that I'm currently reading on my bed. To the left of that I have a couple more signs. I really like to hang things in my room, so I have a lot of that stuff, and most of them are actually from Hobby Lobby. So I have one above my bed. I have the shelving which I actually made personally, and just some perfume and other things there on that. And then I also have this other sign which is also from Hobby Lobby, and it just says adventure awaits. And then below that I just have my little reading corner, and then also my nightstand which is by my bed. So I just use a 3-drawer thing, and then below my bed I actually have storage, so I just have scrapbook paper and movies and candles and just extra little things there. And then I also have some boxes that just keep like journaling supplies and stuff like that. And yes, I do have Oreos under my bed as well, so that is just, there's no shame in that, so yeah. And then on the end of my bed I have some binders and stuff for music, and also some art stuff in a basket. I like this thing, and my grandpa actually made it for me, so I'm just able to have extra storage underneath my bed, which is really nice, especially since my room is really small. So on my nightstand I just have a lamp and a little Bible verse thing, which is also from the Sadie Robertson line at Hobby Lobby, a little tray that I made myself, and some pens. And then in the first drawer, which is the top one obviously, I have my devotionals and some journals and just some other necessities. Then the other two just have clothes in them. And then to the right of that I have my camera bag, and then I also have a little nightstand which is obviously too short to actually use as a nightstand, so I just have a bunch of little things on it that just kind of inspire me and just kind of make my room look cute. And then in the drawer I just have some Bible journaling stuff actually, and just some notebooks and stuff like that. And then below that I just have a bunch of books and a photo album and a wallflower from Bath and Body Works. And then to the right of that I have my homemade prayer journal that I use Coffee and Bible Times video to make that. I have my guitar and my yoga mat. Then I also have this black chair which is from Walmart. The blanket is from Target, and the pillow is from Walmart. Actually, it was a pillow cover, so I just used stuffing to stuff that. And then I have my She Reads Truth Bible and a notebook to go with that. And then above that I have my gallery wall, so I really like how this turned out. It just looks really great. The spiky thing, which I don't really know what to call it, most of it actually is from Hobby Lobby. Actually, all of it is from Hobby Lobby except for the clipboard, and then the two pictures, the one that says follow your dreams and then the one with the triangles, I just found online and I printed those off. I found them on Pinterest. And then to the right of that I have my clothes rack, so it just has a lot of my favorite clothes, and then I have a couple pairs of boots and a basket with my beanies in it because it is winter time, so gotta have those beanies. That is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like it and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and check out my links down below so you guys can follow me there. And I just hope that you guys got some inspiration from watching this video, and hopefully you'll be able to get some ideas on how you can decorate your room for 2018. Again, I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and make sure to love always. Bye guys!